Now, of course, when it comes to personally investing, the VOO is the one that I chose out of here, and we'll break it down exactly why. It is just a measurements and incomes, the ETFs or the exchange traded funds that replicate the S&P 500's performance. Now, it has been said that the S&P 500 is really the United States stock market in its entirety. When you start thinking about those 500 large companies, they make up over 80% of the total US market. So buying one share of an S&P 500 ETF, you get instant exposure to all 500 companies. That is some diversification, simplification, and of course, performance that beats a majority of those active managers. So let's look at the classic ETFs that we have in here, these big heavy hitters that everyone knows, which is the SPY, the IVV, and the VOO. Now, of course, when it comes to personally investing, the VOO is the one that I chose out of here, and we'll break it down exactly why. But the first one we're going to look at is the Spider S&P 500 ETF, or the SPY. Now, this, as we know it, is the OG. This is the first ever ETF that was launched in 1993, so it does have a lot of legway, has a ton of liquidity, and I believe as of right now, it's around $630 billion in here, which is kind of crazy.